Are you a coach? Are you a business owner that has a skill? Do you want to teach what you know to someone else? Are you a passionate creative? If you want to teach what you know to someone else, then I would like to invite you to join me in the Course Creation Kickstart this February. The Course Creation Kickstart is all designed to get that knowledge out of your head and into a course. My name is Linda-Reed Enever. I'm a Thinkific approved expert. I have been teaching since I was 14 and I want to help you share your knowledge with the world. Now, I'm a marketing strategist by trade, but I love teaching others what I do. And that's part of the reason I became a Thinkific approved expert. So what we're going to do is we're going to get together over 6 weeks in February, or starting in February, and start to develop and kickstart your course. We're going to look at what needs to go into the course, the things that you can teach within a course, getting that knowledge out of your head. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus over 6 weeks of getting that knowledge out of your head, understanding the elements of what makes a good course, putting a course outline together, and getting yourself kickstarted to the point of view where you know what the course is you're going to offer. And if you need my help along the way, I'll help you with the ideas of what to teach, and delivering your course to a pre-sale state ready for people to be able to pre-order. Course creation is an amazing journey. It's a great way of educating your market and developing an income where you can share your knowledge and expertise with the world without having to worry about time barriers and those sorts of things. So if you've been looking at creating a course, getting that knowledge out of your head and monetizing the knowledge that you have through course creation, then this Kickstart is for you. We're going to delve through the process in an easy to understand way in a group level over 6 weeks, which gives you time to do your homework in between and kickstart your course. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Register now, save your spot, because space is limited in these Kickstarts, so that I get to spend time with each and every one of you on your ideas.